If you are experiencing delayed engine starting, engine stalling when decelerating, and fluctuation in the RPM gauge accompanied by engine shaking and vibration, then here is the cause, how to inspect it, and also how to fix the problem at the lowest cost. This is what we will discuss today, which is idle air control valve. To know whether your car has an idle air control valve or not, it is very simple. All you have to do is open the hood and look at the engine throttle body. If it has a metal throttle cable connected to the accelerator pedal, then your car definitely has an idle air control valve because the throttle body here is mechanical. But if your car has an electronic throttle body connected with electrical wires and a connector only, then your car does not have an idle air control valve because the electronic throttle body performs the same function of the idle valve electronically through the ECU. Below, we will present the problems that indicate a faulty idle air control valve. 1. Check engine light on. The appearance of the check engine light in case of a fault in the idle air control valve is very common. Upon scanning, you will find one of the following fault codes ranging from P0505 to P0509. From the fault code description, you will determine whether the problem is in the valve electrical circuit or the valve itself is faulty. 2. Delayed engine starting. In case of a faulty idle air control valve, you will experience delayed engine starting throughout the day, not at a specific time, unless you press the accelerator pedal during starting. Then the engine will start immediately because the idle valve is stuck in the closed position and does not open an alternative air passage for the closed throttle when the ignition is on. Therefore, the engine will not start unless you press the accelerator pedal to allow air into the engine through the throttle. 3. Engine stalls when decelerating or over bumps. The idle air control valve controls opening or closing the alternative air passage for the throttle when the accelerator pedal is not pressed, such as idling or slowing down over bumps. But if the valve is faulty and does not perform its function, stuck in the closed position continuously, you will face engine shaking, vibration, and stalling when decelerating or over bumps unless you press the accelerator pedal to allow air into the engine. 4. RPM hanging after releasing the accelerator pedal. If you notice when decelerating or stopping the car that the RPM gauge sticks at 2000 RPM and does not drop below 1000 RPM despite not pressing the accelerator pedal, this is because the idle valve remains stuck and does not return to its normal position after pressing the accelerator pedal. As a result, it stays excessively open, allowing more air than the engine needs to run smoothly at idle. 5. Engine stalls when turning on the AC. Operating the AC is an additional load on the engine. Therefore, when the AC is on, the ECU commands the idle air control valve to open more than usual to allow more air to compensate for the additional load caused by the AC operation. But if the idle valve does not respond to this command, or in other words, if it is stuck or faulty, the engine will stall immediately after turning on the AC. 6. Engine vibration, shaking, and RPM fluctuation. In addition to all the previously mentioned causes, a faulty idle air control valve results in insufficient air entering the engine, leading to unstable engine speed and weak combustion. This appears as noticeable engine shaking, vibration, and unstable, fluctuating RPM. Clean the idle valve or replace it. When idle valve problems start to appear, do not rush to replace it immediately. The good news is that 70% of idle valve problems are solved by cleaning the valve from dirt and oil deposits accumulated on it. If the problem persists after cleaning, then you can replace the valve. But first, make sure whether the issue is with the valve itself or with the wiring and connector. Here we have reached the end of today's video. If you liked the video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive every new video. You were with AutoFix Zone. See you in the next video.